Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G73 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check the serial number. You can do it by using the secret code, which of course I'll show you, or by using the settings. Let's start with a code. So we have to open the dialer as it is the place where we can enter it, and the code for it is *##, *##06#. And as you can see right here at the very bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK. So again, the code is *##06# without the double pound, of course. So now I can show you the second way, and it is by using the settings. It will be useful if for some reason, I don't know, the secret code won't work. So we have to find the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom and find About Phone. And there we have to scroll down to find the model. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, the serial number will appear on the second position. So basically that's all. This is how to check the serial number using two different ways in your MOTOROLA Moto G73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.